Hey, good morning, guys. We're here, a little bit different video. We got the Simplicity Conquest. I'll put the model number in the corner of the video. I'm not sure what year and model. I think it's maybe a 2017 or 18 model year. And the wheel fell off, so it pulled a Ron White on us. The wheel did. And then a couple weeks later, the other wheel fell off. So let me show you. So we took it back to where we got it, and they welded it back on. So let me show you the other wheel that just fell off and how good or not good that one was welded. All right, so here's the other wheel. That's it. So I guess it was, I don't know how it was in there for 3 years and didn't come off, but there's like no weld on that basically at all. And you can see on the other side, pretty much there's not much holding it on. I don't even know, I don't know what kind of weld that is, but it sure as hell isn't a good one, and it didn't hold. So if you got one of these models, you might want to check those wheels and see how secure those hubs are.